Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, as you guys can see, we have another unboxing today. If you guys like anything that's bag related, whether review, comparison, unboxing, it doesn't matter what it is. This is the channel for you. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the notification above so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. All right guys, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuous support. I love you guys so much. Let's get into today's video. All right, guys. So as I stated, we have another unboxing today. These were some items that I actually picked up from the Coach outlet. But guess what? These are actual Coach retail bags. So we're going to open it and then I'm just going to explain to you guys how I got it and stuff like that. All right, guys. So let's get to the unboxing. Let's get this box open. I am so super excited. Okay. So let me open this box right here. As you guys can see, the box is huge. I was like, oh my God, like this is so huge when I got it. But I did order a few items. So I kind of expect it was going to be this huge. Okay, guys. Let's see if we can take these items out and then I will explain to you guys every single thing. Let's get these boxes out of the way. Okay. Okay. And finally. Okay. Okay, guys. So these were the items that I was actually able to pick up from this recent sale for all of the items that actually moved from the Coach retail store to the outlet. Okay. So first thing first, let's open this beauty up. And I think that as you guys can probably see what it is. I have so much stuff here. All right, guys. So I did pick up another Ruby Satchel 18. You guys knew I had to do it. I love my Ruby Satchel in the papaya. So this one is actually in the Jacquard print right here. So this is the Ruby Satchel 18. As you guys can see, I just literally got these items today and I was like, I have to do an unboxing because I also wanted to make sure all of these items were good. As you guys know, in some previous videos, it didn't work out that good. So I wanted to make sure, so in case I need to do any returns, I can actually do the returns. So I did pick these beauty up and they look wrapped really beautiful, honestly. So this looked really good. And just first review. You guys can see right there. Looks really, really good. And especially in this color too. This color is so beautiful. So this is the first item that I did pick up. Is the Ruby Satchel 18. And if you guys are interested in shopping this is the style number CA115. This is it right here. CA115. So that's the first bag that I pick up is the Ruby Satchel 18 in the Jacquard print. But this is called the B4 Chalk Ivory. All right, guys. So as you see, this is the first item. Oh, super excited. Now let's get to the second item, okay? Let's move this out the way. And after I do the unboxing, I'm definitely going to look at it deeper just to make sure there isn't any defect on these items. So let's open this one up. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, guys. So I did pick up another beauty in that same print. Guys, look at this. So this is actually, oh wow, this actually came really wrapped up. I'm happy. What? Oh my God, guys. So this is my first, if you guys can believe it, this is my first studio. Isn't this crazy? So this is my very first studio from Coach. This is so beautiful. Guys, I've been eyeing this bag for so long, but I wasn't trying to pay the price. So it does have a little crinkly right here, but I can handle that. That's not a big deal. So we do have that. This is my studio right here in the same print. This is the Jacquard print right here in the ivory. So this is the studio that I got. First studio, and I'm so happy with the color, guys. Love this. Okay, and I'll investigate it after the unboxing just to make sure everything looks good on it. So this is my first studio right here. Alrighty, so let's move these out the way and let's get to more items. Okay, let's see what else did we pick up. What else did we pick up? All right, guys. So I did pick up this beauty, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God. All right. So guys, this is the mini cassette. I think they call it Cashin Tote. Let's just verify this. Yeah. So the mini Cashin Tote. So this is the style right now. C4828. The style number again is C4828 if you wanted to shop it right here. So just a quick thing. So this it looks so wrinkly, but I love it. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. I am in love with this bag. So guys, just a quick funny story. I actually went into the Coach retail store for a couple of days before my birthday, just to see if I wanted to pick something up, like a bag or something as a gift to myself. So I did see the brand new mini Cashin tote that they have with I think it's called with the ribbits or something like that on there. Um, and I was just like, oh my God. So I told my sales associate, can you put it on hold for me? And I'm like, yeah. So she put it on hold and everything. And then in regards to the sale, Coach, because I'm an insider, so they let me know when these items were coming in. And they was like, hey, items from the retail stores are actually going to be going on the Coach outlet. So if you're interested, and then I had like a list and stuff like that. So this was one of the stuff. So you guys, I had to call my sales associate and say, I'm sorry, can you please just put the other item, take it off hold for me, please, because I was able to get such a good deal on this item, guys. Like literally, this item I was able to get it for such a good deal, and I've been eyeing this bag, and this color is so beautiful. I think this is the army green color. Let's check the tag again. So yeah, right here, Amazon green. I'm sorry, B for Amazon green, and I just think it's so beautiful. It's just that dark green. Look at how beautiful. And it got feet. Oh my God. And also, I was even looking at trying to get the Fendi one or the Louis Vuitton one, because they do have bags that are just like this. I was like, oh, I love it. It's so cute. But then I was like, I'm not sure if I want to spend that money right now. So the fact when I saw that Coach had this, I was really interested in getting the Chuck, the white one. I probably might still add it to my collection. But then this just came at such a great price, guys. So I had to pick it up. I'm so super excited about this mini Cashin tote. So this is the other item picked up. And then, so let's see. And then the final bag that I did pick up. All right, guys. So the final bag I picked up, I don't think you guys would be surprised by it, but let's see. I don't think you guys would be surprised at all, but let's see. Oh, they wrapped this really good. Okay. Oh, this one came wrapped really good, guys. So they had this thing and they had like a little soft cloth on there as well. So okay, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, look what I picked up. The, the Tabby, the soft Tabby 18. This is in, oh my God. So I've been eyeing this, but I wasn't paying that price. Let me don't lie to you. So this, when it first, this is with the ombre. So this is the color right here, and this is the style. C8, no, CA, I'm sorry. CA084, style number again is CA084. So this is the style right here and the color. And this is in the ombre, the pillow tabby 18. Guys, so I've been eyeing this, but like I said, I wasn't paying that much for it, okay? But I was super excited when this also was part of it. They did have the bigger one. The bigger tabby, the 26, but the color, even though the color was like this, but the color that was kind of like a representation of this in the big one, it was more on the bluish green side. But this one, I love the fact that it had the blue, the green, the pink. So this has like just, it just has so much more color and life to it, guys. So I did have to pick this up. So this is going to be my second Pillow Tabby 18. So I'm super excited to add this also to my collection, guys. Isn't this so cute? All right, so this is the Pillow Tabby. Oh, wow. And they wrapped the strap. Guys, look. This is nice. This is really nice. All right, so let's get to the final item that I did pick up. Hold on, guys. All right, so a final item I picked up, and I thought this would be so cute. I might, because I see that even the clutch of this thing, of this item is actually on sale on multiple websites like Macy's and stuff like that. So I might pick that up. But guys, I had to get this clutch, guys. Not even the wallet, I'm sorry. Look at it. Doesn't this match my pillow tabby 18 perfectly? So this is part of a different brand. I think this is the Wilden, I think Wilden Ombre Wilden or some line. And this is the style number C A as an apple 261. Style number again C A 261. So this is the wallet right here. They do actually have a crossbody small bag. I'm probably looking, I'm actually really interested in that, and it's on sale right now, but I'm not sure if I want to pick it up. But I just think this is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. And honestly, the reason why I picked this up because it matched so perfectly with my Pillow Tabby 18 that I just picked up in this same color wave. So I just thought it would be nice to have the wallet as well to go with it. Look at this. All right, guys. So those were all of the items that I did pick up. I did pick up like, I think 4 bags, as you guys can see, and a wallet. So every single thing. So with the ombre, the Pillow Tabby 18, let me just kind of give you guys a quick price reference of how much everything was, okay? So let's see. So guys, so everything, this is how much I spend for everything, guys. These are the prices right here. You can see. So the pillow, the Tabby 18, it's 162. The which one is this? The Ruby Satchel 18 was 153. The wallet, I got it for $54. The Cashin Tote, I got it for $90. And the studio, I got it for 162. So even I did get so everything came up to like 621 for all of these items. So this is the total amount right there, if you guys want to see how much I spent. So what ended up happening was that I did get I did also add my 10% for my birthday discount, so it was able to bring it down to those prices. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Well, my regular time unboxing. And don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family. Let's continue this journey together. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.